Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be comparing the Galaxy A73 5G and Galaxy A72. The Galaxy A73 5G and Galaxy A72 are part of Samsung's line of mid-range models. Both stand out for their cost-benefit, and currently can be found in the Amazon marketplace at a discount from the launch price. The devices share similar specifications, such as a 5000 mAh battery and a 6.8-inch screen. On the other hand, they bring differences in processor and RAM. Check out the following comparison of all the details of the smartphones. The smartphones from the South Korean manufacturer have similarities when it comes to the screen and design. Both feature a 6.7-inch panel with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. The A72 single-S Super AMOLED display features a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A73 5G features a Super AMOLED Plus display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, responsible for delivering smoother motion and sharper images in videos. The photo arrangement is organized in the same way on both devices, vertically, under a slightly raised rectangular module in the upper left corner in the same color as the device. Another point in common is the construction of the front. Both phones have an elongated body with thin, rounded edges, and a hole in the top center to house the selfie camera. The A73 5G and the A72 differ in the quadruple lens set, which is considered the highlight of both. The Galaxy A73 5G's quad camera consists of a 108 megapixels main sensor, followed by the 12MP ultra-wide lens, depth sensor, and 5MP macro. The front camera makes 32MP quality records and videos are recorded in 8K at 30 FPS. In summary, it is organized as follows: main camera, 108MP f/1.8. Ultra-wide camera, 12MP f/2.2. Depth, 5MP f/2.4. Macro camera, 5MP f/2.4. Front-facing camera, 32MP f/2.2. Samsung's device also features an HDR system, face detection, optical image stabilization, panorama mode, night mode, autofocus, and LED flash. Besides, the hybrid optical zoom captures distant objects more easily. The Galaxy A72, on the other hand, has a 64MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, an 8MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth sensor. The set is organized as follows: 64MP main sensor f/1.8, 12MP ultra-wide camera f/2.2, 8MP macro camera f/2.4, 5MP depth sensor f/2.4, 32MP front-facing camera f/2.2. The smartphone also features an HDR system, face detection, night mode, panorama mode, optical image stabilizer, and LED flash. In addition to 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. Videos are recorded at 4K at a speed of 30 FPS and slow motion has 240 FPS. The Galaxy A73 5G features Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G chip, which has 8 cores that reach a maximum speed of 2.1 GHz. The processor works in conjunction with the 8GB RAM. The A72, on the other hand, relies on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 720G chip, an octa-core with a maximum speed of 2.3 GHz and 6GB RAM. Both smartphones have 128 GB of storage, and there is the possibility of an expansion via microSD card up to 1 TB. The battery capacity is another similar feature in both smartphones. The component has a maximum capacity of 5000 mAh with the promise of autonomy of up to 2 days depending on the use of the device. In the A73 5G, the South Korean manufacturer promises up to 18 hours of 4G internet usage and up to 21 hours of video playback. On the A72, meanwhile, Samsung promises 146 hours of audio playback, 23 hours of video, and up to 20 hours of web browsing. In addition, both phones contain 25 watts fast chargers. The Galaxy A73 5G leaves the factory running Google's latest operating system, Android 12, together with the One UI 4.1 interface. Among the updates that the interface offers can be highlighted are the new gallery features and the Smart Widget, which allows users to stack up to 7 apps and view them by swiping to the sides. The Galaxy A72, meanwhile, was released with Android 11 and the UI 3.1 interface. Samsung's custom UI brings features such as Eye Comfort Shield, a blue light filter that makes viewing the device's screen more comfortable, and Single Take lets you take a sequence of photos or videos with just a tap of the camera shutter. The 2021 smartphone is already receiving the system update. Galaxy A73 5G and Galaxy A72 feature facial recognition and a native on-screen fingerprint reader. As for connectivity, both smartphones offer NFC support, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5.0 and 802.11/B/G/N/AC bands and GPS. The two Samsung smartphones are also IP67 certified, which protects against water splashes and dust. In practice, this means that the phones can be submerged to a maximum depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. They differ in the mobile connection. While the Galaxy A72 only offers 4G support, the latest model features the 5G DSS connection. It is worth noting that this data transmission is not yet 5G operating at full capacity, but it enables faster connections than in conventional 4G. The Galaxy A73 5G arrived on the market in April 2022. Currently, the smartphone is found on Amazon's marketplace for $557. In turn, the Galaxy A72 was launched in March 2021. The phone is available on Amazon for $379. Check out the links to buy on the description page. Here ends our comparison on Galaxy A73 5G and Galaxy A72. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.